Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you enjoyed my videos. If you like, then please subscribe my channel and give your valuable suggestions in the comment box. So today let me show you the recipe of harissa dip. You can use this dip in your favorite dishes like burgers, tacos, roasted veggies, salad dressing, pastas and more. So let's start preparing harissa dip. So first boil 1 cup of water and add 5 to 6 whole dry red chilies into this boiled water. Now add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of cumin, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and finally add the soaked red chilies. Blend into a beautiful, slightly chunky paste, and the harissa paste is ready. Now, for making the harissa dip, mix 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of harissa paste. That's it. I have used this harissa dip in jingi parcel. Please click on the above link for the recipe or find it in the description box. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.